Hi, on today's video we are going to show you what the best outdoor adventure app there is. Stick around as always to the end for bloopers. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified when our next video is out.
Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. Deb, Joel, and Maya here. We are new to RVing and happy to take you along for the ride with us as we are feeling like we're living the book, RVing for Dummies sometimes. There's nothing better than feeling the freedom that RVing is bringing us. We are an RV couple with a spoiled dog that loves RV travel and feels RV love every time we head to a new location to show you how we travel in our RV. Hi, Deb and Joel here from Chasing RV Sunshine, and Maya. She's down here whining. We are taking you on a nice little Wisconsin hike at Levis Mounds biking and hiking.
Oh, you sit the dog.
Why are you being so mean?
Stay.
We truly believe the AllTrails app is the best outdoor adventures app to be using, as we located this secret hidden gem in Wisconsin, which begins the driftless area in the state, featuring sandstone bluffs and mounds, which is an incredibly unique natural feature that trail users enjoy here. We are at Levis Mounds Trail System and on the Cliffhanger Trail. It is rated as moderate, and we found it utilizing the AllTrails app. So far, it's absolutely gorgeous. It is a 3-mile loop that we are on that's called Cliffhanger. It's pretty cool. We've been utilizing the AllTrail app for the last month or so when we're finding our hikes. It's been really user-friendly and really liking it. We are not sponsored by them or featured by them, just like the app, and I've been using it. There is a free version and there's also the Pro. The Pro allows you to download maps offline so that if you are somewhere you don't have cell phone reception, you'll always have access to your actual map. Whether you want to go on a casual stroll or a trek to the summit, AllTrails app has you covered. Hiking, dog-friendly, mountain biking, wheelchair-friendly, road biking, paddling, trail running. Explore with confidence and reviews and tips from fellow explorers. Make the most of the outdoors with the AllTrails Pro app. Currently, right now, there's a sale of 33% off for a 3-year plan at $59.99. No service, no problem. Download maps to your phone and know where to go even without a signal. There is a lifeline where real-time tracking keeps you and your loved ones connected. The lifeline helps you share your last trip details, planning routes, along with updated alerts to your safety contacts along with your last known location. Pro users get access to real-time overlays including air quality, satellite weather, pollen, light pollution, and heat maps. GoPro is also ad-free. We're at Clearance Point, and Joel is now running away as this is too sketchy for him to be up here as he's afraid of heights. How was Clearance Point?
It's definitely a point, and it's high.
What do you think? You need some water?
are you doing?
What do you think of Upper Glens Peak, Maya?
It's nothing like the cliffhanger.
Clark County is proud to offer one of the finest non-motorized trail systems in Wisconsin. The Levis Mounds recreational area is located within the southwest corner of Clark County and provides more than 41 miles of trails that wind loop through the portions of the nearly 135,000-acre forest. The area is managed to maintain and to protect the natural environment and wildlife habitat of the Levis Mounds while providing recreational opportunities and a sustained supply of raw forest products. The main trailhead features access to water, flushed restrooms, an open-air shelter, showers, and a warming chalet during the winter riding season. Daily and seasonal trail passes are available online and at the trailhead. Camping is allowed with a rate of $17 a night, Sunday through Thursday, and $20 a night, Friday through Saturday. Hiking is free, and mountain biking is $8 a day. We are so grateful for having the AllTrail Pro app, as we found this hiking area utilizing it. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified when our next video is out. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to stick around for the bloopers. And in the comments below, let us know what you think the best outdoor adventure app is.
Hey, Deb here and Joel from Chasing RV Sunshine. On today's video, we are going to take you on a little local hike at Levis Mounds. Let's see, what is the actual name of it? Yeah, it's Levis Mounds. Hi, Deb and Joel. I think I saw Sasquatch.
I think it was just a hairy old guy.
Okay, it was. Deb and Joel here from Chasing RV Sunshine, and Maya. She's down here whining. We are taking you on a nice little Wisconsin hike at Levis Mounds. Biking and hiking.
Oh, you sit the dog. Whining. Sit.
Why are you being so mean?
Stay.
On today's video, we are taking you. You're freaking the dog out. You're freaking yourself out.
Conquered my fear of heights.
You did?
Yes.
Thanks to all of you that have been coming along on our journey to be chasing RV Sunshine. Remember, life is about moments, not things, and you can always create your own sunshine. We'll see you on the next video.